Hi, my name is Charles. Thank you for responding to my post. I hope you're well. And this is the video I wanted to shoot giving a few free recommendations on Google Ads. You can take these recommendations and implement them yourself or give them to your website, your marketer, your Google Ads person, and hopefully they'll help you grow. I'm sure you're wondering, why am I doing this kind of video? Just get free information. Well, there are a couple of reasons. Firstly, in talking to many business owners, I've realized that business owners are way too busy to learn the stuff. There's a lot of information out there. Learning curve sometimes is pretty steep. So I just wanted to give some free recommendations to help you grow your business. The second reason is that about 90% of people search for local services using Google. 70% of those do not leave the front screen. So it's pretty important to be upfront in Google for searches, especially like within your niche. For example, if I'm looking for a general contractor in Philadelphia, 70% of people will not leave this first page. So it's pretty important to be here on the first page. And third reason is that Google Ads get you on the front page. As you can see, for a lot of searches just like this, where someone is searching for a service within a specific area. This is a local buyer intent search. So you know that whoever's searching for this is definitely looking for a general contractor to get some work done. Okay, so I don't want to waste any more of your time. Let me get started. So first thing, I want to talk about three things: keyword research, competitor research, and your return on investment. Okay, let's get started. So first thing is keyword research. A keyword is this phrase that people type to search for a certain service within Google. So a keyword is a phrase like general contractor Philadelphia, Philadelphia general contractor license, etc. I have different tools that I use to find out how many people are searching for these phrases. One of the tools which is pretty popular is called Keywords Everywhere. So I'm just going to hop onto the tool. I did a little bit of research earlier on to find a lot of good keywords that people may use to look for certain services within your niche. So looking at the metrics, I can tell that certain keywords have a lot of people searching for them every month. For example, contractors in Philadelphia. It's very buyer intent. It seems like someone is looking for a contractor in Philadelphia. 880 people. General contractor Philadelphia, 1,000 people. So it's good to be in front of these kind of searches and to target your ads in this way. Another good way of keyword research to find out what kind of keywords you should be targeting within your Google Ads is doing competitor research, and that's the second thing I wanted to talk about. So let's go back to the search. When I type the keyword in, first thing you'll see a Google Ads as usual, then you'll see the map pack, and then the organic listings, and underneath that you may or may not see a few more Google Ads. Guys here are the ones who are paying for these Google Ads. For example, they have this keyword within their campaign and they're paying for it. And we did see the price for that one. Where is it? General contractor Philadelphia. They're paying about $6.49 per ad. Per click, I'm sorry. So let's take one of these results, like Bella Brothers. I'm sorry, Bella Brothers. I'm gonna click in your ad once because I need to grab your URL. And I'm gonna use a tool of mine called SpyFu to actually analyze the competition. So I'll put them here. I use this tool called SpyFu. Again, this is a popular tool. It's not unique to me. However, it can help you look at your competitors and find out what kind of keywords they're paying for and tailor your campaign in the same way. So you can see how many organic keywords they're paying for, and also they're paying for about 65 keywords, which we can then explore and grab the relevant ones to put into our campaign, our Google ad campaign. Now, what is the good of Google Ads if you don't get a return on your investment? So let's look at what I'm going to do is that I'm going to forecast and show you the kind of power that Google Ads can have. So first of all, let's come back here. I want to grab all of these keywords and put them into what's known as a keyword planner within Google Ads. So with this, I can actually forecast the kind of traffic I'm going to get, and then therefore adjust my budget accordingly. So let me do this real quick and I'll be back in a second. So I've put them here into my keyword planner, and this is just to be able to see, to forecast. And you can see here general contractor Philadelphia, the 1,000 searches per month, and the cost per click is $6.49, as we saw in the other two. What's powerful is that I can actually forecast and estimate the kind of return I will get for the keywords. So let's take a look at the forecast. So right now with this plan, I can get 51 clicks for $470 with a $15 per day daily budget. So within the month, if I spend 470, I can get about 51 clicks. So out of this, let's add some few conversion metrics. So let's say out of those 51 people who click and come onto my website or come onto my my landing page, let's say 5% of these become actual clients. Actually, let's go a little bit more conservative. Let's say 1% of these become actual clients. And the value per conversion. So what I'm going to use for that is I'm just going to search for what's the average cost of a remodel, say remodeling a kitchen. Maybe they're Googling because they're remodeling a kitchen, or let's say they're Googling because they're remodeling a kitchen. Home Advisor tells me on average a kitchen remodel costs $25,000. Now let's actually take 13,000. Most homeowners spend between 13,000 and 38,000. Let's take the lower value. Now you probably know these numbers better than me, what averages are, but just using what I've found, just doing this research. Let's save this. Okay, so for this, you can plan on getting one conversion, and the conversion value would be 6,800 with this kind of budget. Let's play around with these numbers now. Let's say you increased your daily budget. Instead of $15 a day, you said, let's spend $30 a day. And your numbers change. You'd be looking at probably 7,000 conversion value, meaning from that, your return on interest from $930 spent for a month, you'll probably get around 7,000 back. Now, this is using conversion value of only 1%. If you convert more people, so let's say it's a 5% conversion rate, out of all the 51 clicks that you're planning to, well, now it's changed, it's not 51 anymore. It's 58 clicks that you're planning to make with this kind of budget. So let's say 5% of them become closed clients. You're looking at 3 conversions with a conversion value of 39,000. Now you can see as you change your daily budget with a very low conversion rate, I'm pretty sure for the number of, if you get 61 people come into your site, I'm pretty sure your conversion rate, let's say half of those actually give you a call, or 10 of those give you a call. Pretty sure your conversion rate was more than 5%, probably maybe 50% or not. So definitely your conversion value will go higher and higher and higher. And this is all estimated by the number of clicks and the number of impressions that Google will give you with this kind of a budget. So I hope I'm showing you that Google Ads are powerful. They can get you more leads if you're willing to spend and if you're willing to target your advertisements correctly. You will see a good return on your investment. So thanks for watching so far. I want to keep this below 10 minutes. You can give this to your website person or your Google ad person if you'd like to work with me. Again, my name is Charles. and I do have more tricks up my sleeve. Please get in touch with me. If not, no harm, no foul. I hope this helps you grow and actually get more and more monthly clients coming to you and helping you grow your business. Thank you.